Hey there! Did your website recently get attacked by hackers? Want to get it back up and running? With businesses going digital, hacked websites need to be recovered as fast as possible. However, people struggle with cyber threats and getting their websites back. The solution is our hacked website repair services. When a website is hacked, it is crucial to contact a professional to remove hazardous malware immediately. IT Company can fix your website and make it safer and armed for future attacks with our hacked website repair service. In this digital age, cybercrimes are consistently on the rise. Professional hackings have become increasingly common. Our hacked website repair service is an all-in-one solution that is a must-have for all organizations. A hacked website may feel like the end of the world, but the key here is not to give up and act quickly. Our experts are quick and thorough. We ensure every virus is removed and your website is up and running for business in no time. Our excellent scanning tools and detection algorithms ensure that your website not only recovers but is ready to fend off future attacks. IT Company is a brilliant option for hacked websites, given that our security professionals provide permanent solutions instead of temporary ones. Every component is scanned and cleaned, and hackers are driven off permanently. What makes us different from other companies is our quick response, highly experienced team, and dedication to ensure you never lose sleep over a hacking problem again. Time is costly when it comes to a hacked website. Let IT Company take care of everything and restore your website to its former glory.